Hello everyone, I'm Muhammad Haziq. I am representing MindBenders, which consists of Momen, Fayaz, Nazirul, Ismail, and Samim. This project is prepared for Dr. Kanishan, where the student will have further understanding and a better view of an organization operation management activities. We have chosen Kashif as a subject for our project. It is a Pakistani cuisine food restaurant. This restaurant is located in Taman Konat. It only takes 2 minutes to walk from USSI University. This restaurant is owned by a Pakistani entrepreneur, Mr. Kashif himself, with the thought of bringing their culture and heritage in Malaysia. The restaurant has been operating for almost 3 years now. Why we have selected Kashif? We chose this restaurant because this restaurant is quite well known, not only by the international student, but the locals as well. The owner is very friendly toward his customer, as he is always around, sitting at the cashier and talking to everybody. They have this motto of honor the customer and quality come first, with the goals of quality, healthy, and traditional ways. Here are some services that this restaurant is providing. Firstly, their well-known tasty pizza menu, their delicious naan cheese and tandoori chicken, their traditional Pakistani buffet with varieties of lamb, beef, chicken, and also vegetables. And lastly, their delicious milkshakes that the customers cannot get over with. Mr. Kashif has 3 managers that are supporting him to run this business. First, there are finance manager that will deal with marketing strategies and forecasting, and then kitchen manager that deals with chefs and dishwashers, mostly backhouse responsibilities, also known as places where customers were not allowed to enter. And then lastly, the general manager, dealing mostly at the front house responsibilities. This table explains more about the operational responsibilities. First, the owner. He oversees all operations, then strategize future planning, and then managing chain supply, such as raw material, shipping and purchasing costs, oversee inventory activities, and then lastly, setting up layout. And then finance manager. He control cash flow, and then manage all expenses, and then marketing. He promotes and publicize, and then dealing with forecasting. And then we have kitchen manager, which control backhouse activities, staff only area. He deals with cleanliness, safety, quality, purchasing, receiving, and storing issues, budgeting, and accounting. And then lastly, the general manager controls front room activities, guest only area. He keeps the restaurant clean, and then look neat and smart, and then supervise waiter and server. And also, he check the quality of food, and then collecting. Forecasting in Kashif. This is the responsibility for the finance manager, where they practice 3-time horizon forecasting system. This is important to plan what's coming ahead to the restaurant, mostly to sustain the restaurant. First, the short range, buying basic goods and work schedule. Then medium range, planning sales improvement, drawbacks, improving customers' comfort. And then lastly, long range, planning how to expand their branch, future ideas, and also brainstorming. Here we can see how Kashif is planning their manpower per day. From the table it shows that there are 5 major sections and numbers of people needed in each sections during operation. There are only one people needed to be at the reception and the tandoori section, two people needed in the beverage section, and both kitchen and service needed 3 people during operation, with the total of 10 people needed per operation or per shift. Since this restaurant is operating with double shift, there were opening shift starting at 9 a.m. in the morning until 6 p.m. and then the closing shift starting at 6 p.m. and ends at 2 a.m. in the morning. Therefore, total of 20 people should be working per day. The location of this restaurant is very strategic. As you can see from the slides, there are 3 main targets customer. First, the student and the staff from UCSI University, and then the surrounding residents nearby, such as condominium and housing area, and also the staff that are working at nearby offices, such as offices at the Icon, bankings, such as RHB Banking, Maybank, and Public Bank that are nearby. In these slides, it shows the overview layout of the restaurant. Kashif follow a basic layout design strategy that includes some general areas, for example, entrance lobby, reception, drink preparation desk, dining area, and kitchen. From the layout, you can see that Kashif took the decision of maximizing of space. Inventory management is paramount for any restaurant. Good inventory management is to create an ideal balance between meeting customers' needs whilst at the same time minimizing waste. This is done by accurate stock control of raw materials and forecasting of demand so that the products do not have the same. In this figure, it shows that there are 3 main types of stocks that a restaurant business should have. First, there are raw materials. The raw materials are the ingredients that will go into producing the final product. For Kashif restaurant, these ingredients are wheat, flours, lentils, chicken, meat, and lambs. Work in progress refers to stock in the process of being made into a finished product. Finished products, for example pepperoni pizza, consist of dough, cheese, slices of vegetables, chicken or beef pepperoni slices, and sauces. The restaurant will only combine these items when an order is received, unlike the food served on the buffet. This flowchart explains how the finished products were sent to the customer. First, Kashif buy the raw material from the supplier, which is NSK Supermarket, then goes to work in progress, then to finished products, and then lastly to the customer. Here are the benefits of inventory management. First, wastage leads to huge losses. Inventory planning improves service level, customer satisfaction due to fresh raw material. Then it is less time consuming. Then lastly, Kashif has price discount from the supplier for qualitative material purchases. Managing for quality and process control. Kashif is nominated as a Grade A restaurant by the Health Ministry. This is due to how seriousness the restaurant on the awareness of hygiene and food safety in the restaurant. On top of that, the waiters are well trained and friendly, and also prices are in the affordable level. Process optimizing. Kashif set target for minimizing costs and maximizing profit. This can be obtained from maintaining the recipe for any products, and then provide best services. Waiters are well alert in cleaning tables, and also maintaining the process time for a product to be finished and delivered to the customer. Scheduling is very important to manage everything efficiently and effectively. This method was used to plan human resources, plan production processes, and purchasing material. This method is implemented to arrange, control, and optimize work in the restaurant. Here are some identified problems that was obtained during observation. First, kitchen staffing has low experience in making the food, resulting slowing down of the food production. And then the second one is understaffed. Here are solutions for the problems. First, provide more training to the staff. And then the second one, more employee needed. For example, kitchen helper for the chef. This position is crucial because it can help with the simple chef's works. This position can help with getting the ingredient ready for the next order while the chef is cooking for the current order. This will for sure smoothen and optimize food production. We can conclude that the objectives of this report were met. Members in MindBenders has the idea on how an organization works and the operation strategy of an organization for this project in a restaurant. Problems in Kashif were identified and solutions were given. MindBenders has more understanding on how service is generated and delivered to the customer in a restaurant.